everyone, I am Sakshi and today is day 68 of English Speaking Challenge. And today I am here to speak on a new topic, and that is the beauty of diversity. So let's start. So whenever it comes to diversity, what we think about differences. But diversity is not only about differences. Diversity is about different culture, different traditions, different art forms, different dance, different songs, etc. India is a country, we are living in a country where the diversity is celebrated, and India is one of the most important country where diversity is celebrated. Here people with different religions live together, they celebrate their festival together. And diversity is not only about different religion, it also about different skills, different in school, in colleges, in workplace. People are good at different skills. They are not good at everything, but they are good at something. So people who are good at different skills, we learn from them. If I am having a different skill, like I speak well, or if I dance well, people will learn from me. And if someone is have a good art or drawing, I will learn from that. So diversity teaches us that we can live together and we can be happy while learning different skills, different languages. India is a country which celebrates diversity, and there is a famous term also coined by Jawaharlal Nehru, that is unity in diversity, which says that we all are united. Whether we belong to different culture, different region, it doesn't matter. We all are united. We all are same. We all are that God's child. So consider an example. If there is a garden, and in that garden there is only rose plants or only similar plants, will it look better? It will not look better. And if there is a garden where there is a combination of different kinds of flowers like rose, lily, tulip, jasmine, sunflower, it will look great. So same as life also look great when we live life with diversity. Life also looks colorful, beautiful when all people of different views, different ideas, different culture, different religions live together. We celebrate diversity in India. Whether it is a festival of Durga Puja, it is celebrated across all over the India. Whether it is Eid, it is we get holidays. Whether it is national festival, we get holidays. So we are celebrating diversity, and history is a great example that shows that diversity is celebrated. History shows that how freedom fighters belonging to different culture, different religion came together to fight, to protest against the Britishers. So our country is same, our religion is different, culture is different, that doesn't matter. So we should always be in support of each other. Whether we belong to different religion, it doesn't matter. That is the beauty of diversity. We should always be united, and so that we will able to achieve the incredible India. So I will conclude that the beauty of diversity is that whether you are from different religion, different culture, different background, it doesn't matter. You should celebrate each festival, and we are celebrating it too. We should diversity is not only about different culture, different religion, different traditions. It is also about people with different skills, different knowledge. North Indian people can learn how to make dosa and idli through South Indian people, and South Indian can learn how to make litti chokha from North Indian people. So these things can happen when we be united. So unity is very necessary in case of diversity. That's define the beauty of diversity. So that's all for today's video, and if you are liking my video, please like, subscribe and share and comment. That's all. Have fun and take care. And if any query you are having, you can ask me in the comment box. That's all. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Have fun.